Mr. Robert Sterling. He was an incredibly rich businessman. He lived in a massive mansion, drove the fastest sports cars, and wore suits that cost more than most people's cars. However, Mr. Sterling was rarely happy. He was always stressed. His phone rang constantly with problems. He yelled at his employees, he was impatient in traffic, and he worried about losing his money every single day. He had everything money could buy, but he had no peace. One hot summer afternoon, Mr. Sterling was rushing to an important meeting. Suddenly, his expensive luxury car made a loud noise and stopped in the middle of the street. Smoke came out of the engine. "Unbelievable!" Mr. Sterling shouted, hitting the steering wheel. He stepped out of the car, sweating in his expensive suit, furious that he would be late. While waiting for his driver to fix the car, he sat down on a nearby park bench. He was checking his watch impatiently when he noticed a man sitting on the other end of the bench. It was a homeless man named Leo. Leo wore torn, dirty clothes. His shoes had holes in them, and he had a long, messy beard. Beside him was a small, worn-out bag that held all his possessions. But unlike Mr. Sterling, Leo was smiling. He was leaning back, eyes half closed, listening to a small bird singing in a tree above them. Mr. Sterling was annoyed by the man's calm attitude. "Why are you smiling?" Mr. Sterling asked sharply. "Look at you. You have nothing. You are sleeping on a bench." Leo opened his eyes slowly and looked at the rich man with gentle eyes. "I have everything I need right now," Leo said softly. "I have the warm sun on my face. I have this beautiful song from the bird, and I have air in my lungs. Why shouldn't I smile?" Mr. Sterling scoffed. "That's nonsense. I have millions in the bank, and I have real problems." "Do you?" Leo asked. "You look very tired, sir. When was the last time you just sat and listened to a bird sing without worrying about your bank account?" Mr. Sterling stopped. He couldn't remember. He had been running so fast to get more money that he had forgotten how to stop. He looked at the homeless man, who looked peaceful despite having nothing. Then he looked at his own reflection in the shop window, rich but looking miserable. In that moment, the rich man realized he was poor in the things that truly mattered. Moral of the story: money can buy a house, but not a home. It can buy a bed, but not sleep. True happiness is not about how much you have, but how much you enjoy what you have.